Alright everybody, this is Old Nevada. I just picked her up last weekend. From an old guy that bought her on Nevada Day. This is going to be the project for the channel for a little bit. She has a water leak somewhere, coolant leak. She's got some dents down the side. This does have the 12 valve Cummins, and it's been slightly modified. Seems like they turned up the fuel pump. So, let's take a look. The guy wasn't very clean. Looks like there's coffee everywhere. Old man. Seat's pretty tore up. That'll need to be replaced. There's all that coffee I was talking about. It's cold right now. It's around 35 degrees outside. But let's fire her up and see what she does. Gotta let the wait to start light go away. Yep. Clutch. She's dirty, that's for sure. Got an aftermarket stereo in her. The dash is black for some reason. I'm not sure why. Somebody must have changed it out. It should be tan like the rest of the interior. It's got 257,829 miles on her. And this is my helper right here. Hi, Holly. What are you doing, baby? She wants to go for a ride. Let's take a look at the engine. There she is, the old bulldog. Pump. This truck is a 5-speed all-wheel drive. Sounds like it's got a pulley going on. This is the third time I've fired it up. So I picked this truck up pretty cheap. But anybody that's ever bought a Cummins knows they're not that cheap. So everybody should take their best guess at what I paid for this truck. Good old 5-speed. Comes with the Chiltons. Like I said, it's a mess in here. This whole thing's gonna need to be cleaned up. The carpet's gonna have to be pulled out and shampooed, pressure washed, lit on fire maybe. It's starting to rain on me. block heater. Tires are actually brand new. The guy just put them on. There's Holly. Look at that sweet little girl. What are you doing, baby? Anyways, let me know what you think I paid for her.